In this busy modern world, peace often feels far away. Every day we rush, we chase, we try to catch up with life, yet somehow we forget to simply breathe. But sometimes, peace begins with just a pause, a breath, a smile, a moment to see things as they are. Simple and beautiful. My name is Ava Linh. I believe peace isn't something we search for far away. It's something we nurture right here in our everyday life. Through mindfulness, compassion, and kindness, we can bring the Buddha's wisdom into every moment of our day. Welcome to Buddhism in Life, where ancient wisdom meets the rhythm of today. Here we explore compassion, clarity, and the beauty of mindful living, because true understanding is not somewhere else. It's right here within your heart. So take a deep breath, let the noise fade away, and walk this path of understanding and kindness together with us, because peace begins right here. Buddhism in Life. Learn the Buddha's way. Cultivate humanity.